Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a leaf. Yes, the things that plants have with chinille stems. When I was growing up, these were called pipe cleaners, but they don't call those anymore. Here is the name currently on here, but when I was growing up, they called these pipe cleaners. So, I got these at a craft store, and I bought this full set of them for $3 at Michael's Craft Store. No, they are not sponsoring this. I'm just saying where I got them. So, to start off, what you want to do, take two of these, go up here, go like this, then come down here, do this. So you have your basic leaf shape, just like that. So what I'm going to do for contrast is I'm going to take a purple one here. Actually, what I got to do is I got to put the center of the leaf in, just like this. And it doesn't need to be perfect, as you can see here. So now what I do is take this, the purple one here, go like this, go around like this, and that's supposed to be the vein of the leaf. That's what I'm trying to get. There we go. You just go around that like this. And this is not going to be exact. It's kind of a fun, whimsical way to do it. So I take another purple pipe cleaner and go like this. Go around. I'm going to go around this way this time. Like this. It's not meant to be clean, it's just meant to represent it. Turn these two together. And the purple's supposed to represent the veins in the leaf that go like this. That's what the purple's supposed to represent. So this is a leaf. This is, and since they have stems, I'm going to put one on. fold it over like this, and squeeze it. And there you go. You have a leaf made out of chinille stems. There you go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.